In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Noon app not working. So if Noon application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, the application should start working. If the application does not work, what you can do is simply try updating it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Noon. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Noon and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. After that, all the bugs will be fixed and your app should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library on your device, find the application for Noon and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, try using the app. The application should start working. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the application will surely start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some problem with your device itself, so for that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After that, all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and the application will start working. So that is how you fix Noon app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.